Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gabby. Today I'm going to be doing a Batwing eyeliner tutorial for you guys, so it'll be simple, and if you work on Halloween and you don't feel like doing a lot of makeup, or if you're not allowed to wear costumes or whatever, this will definitely be for you. I did find some inspiration on Instagram, which is where I am most of the time for some reason, and I feel like this will be kind of easy, but at the same time kind of difficult because eyeliner is not my strong suit. All the products that I will be using will be listed in the description box down below, as well as my socials, and feel free to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Gabby Likes Glitter. For the eyeshadow look that I did, so it's pretty simple, I used the Nikkietutorials palette from Beauty Bay, and the process is on TikTok. So if you do want to see that video, it is on TikTok. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So I have my NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner. They mean waterproof because this stuff, once it's on, it is very hard to get off. So I'm going to line my lid like normal, and then with this eyeliner, try not to open your eye because it doesn't dry very quickly. I did open my eyes a little too soon, so there's like a little tiny line up there. Not too mad at it. I could just cover it up with more eyeshadow anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the inner corner and kind of make them more pointed. Okay, that looks weird, and I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer or something. Okay, there we go, that looks a lot better. Okay, so now we just let that dry for a few seconds. So what I'm gonna do is kind of draw, oh, my voice cracked. I'm gonna draw an angle starting about right here. Put a dot right there, so you see where that dot is? I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to make a line from here to here, but it's gonna be straight. Sometimes I like wish I was ambidextrous so I could do my makeup faster. So look at just the diagonal line like that. And then kind of fill it out a little bit. Something like that. It should look like a black splotch. So we're gonna let that dry. Okay, so I kind of already did it on this side, but now I'm going to take a line, or I'm taking the liner, and actually I'm gonna fix this a little bit, and take the top of it and draw a straight line out. So it should be like the shrugging emoji. That's what you should look like right now. And then we're going to draw some little lines.
My eyes twitching.
So about 4 lines, and then you'll want to fill them in. And by filling them in, I mean draw like a half circle between each line. Oh, well, that happened. Okay, so once you have your wing done, I'm actually gonna go ahead and make like another, like the top of the wing, since this messed up. I don't like that line, so I'm gonna round it out a little bit more. Now we just let that dry. I hate playing Among Us sometimes because my teammates be dumb and I don't understand. Just get it together. If I say it's not me, then it's not me. Because I like being the imposter. Like, I love it. And if I'm not it, I'm gonna tell you flat out. I don't even do my tasks. Now that both sides are done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and lashes and be back to do the lips to finish the look. We have the lashes on, and honestly, I like this side better than this one. I don't know, this just looks weird. It looks like a bat that's like struggling. And this one's like, oh, I'm ready to fight, you know? I like this side better, so we're gonna pretend that this side didn't happen. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this very tiny Kylie lip liner in the shade, I don't know what shade it is. It's shaving down. I think it's Chai Latte. No, it's Hot Chai, that's what it's called, it's Hot Chai. Now I'm adding this NYX Lingerie Push-Up lipstick in the shade Seduction. It's gonna make my lips look really crusty. And now I'm adding the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Definitely forgot to add some blush, so I'll do that. Okay, and I haven't used this Juvia's Place highlighter in a while. This is the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Nefertiti. I'm gonna go ahead and just use a little bit. Highlight my pimple. Alrighty, so this would be it for the finished look, and that is Batwing eyeliner. Again, everything that I used on my face will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!